Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The service provider undertakes to comply with the applicable provisions of all welfare legislations and more particularly with the Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act 1970 if applicable for carrying out the purpose of this agreement. Stop. The service provider shall further observe and comply with all government laws concerning employment of staff employed by the service provider and shall duly pay all sums of money to such staff as may be required to be paid under such laws. Stop. It is expressly understood that the service provider is fully responsible to ascertain and understand the applicability of various acts and take necessary action to comply with the requirements of law. Stop. The service provider shall give an undertaking by the 22nd of each month in favor of the department that he has complied with all his statutory obligations. Stop. A draft of the said undertaking is attached herewith as Annexure C to this agreement. Stop. The service provider shall maintain accurate accounts and records statements of all its operations and expenses in connection with its functions under this agreement in the manner specified by the department. Stop. The service provider shall forthwith, upon being required by the department, allow department of any of its authorizes representatives to inspect, audit or take copies of any records maintained by the service provider. Stop. The service provider shall also full stop over.